Deputy Principal, Nyamira National Polytechnic. Kitambo tulikuwa tunaitwa Ekerubo Gietai Technical Training Institute. But some few months ago, we were upgraded to a National Polytechnic, which we are proud and grateful to the government for that consideration, because we believe with the new status, it is giving us a new mandate and a bigger responsibility to extend the technical education to the people around. So we want to say that Nyamira National Polytechnic is one of the, it is actually the only polytechnic in Nyamira County, second to Kisii in the Gusii land, and with that kind of mandate, the courses that are offered here are national, and it covers a wide range of programs ranging from engineering, agriculture, business. We have fashion and design, electrical, among others. We admit students who are able to take diploma courses, certificate courses, and even artisan. With the new introduction of CBET courses, we are now calling diploma level 6. Certificate is now level 5, artisan is level 4. That is under the new CBET programs. There is also a new concept of dual training, which the government is emphasizing, so that we are able to merge the skills that the trainees are getting from the institutions with what is offered in the industry. Basically, dual training is all about partnering with the industry, where we train in the institution for half the period, and they're in the industry for half of the period. At the end of the day, we are not going to have the gaps that we have been having in terms of skills. So we are going to churn out a graduate that is fully equipped with employable skills without having to undergo any other kind of training in the industry. So that is the beauty. We started a mechanical engineering plant as a pioneer course, and already those candidates or those trainees are already in the industry, and the industry are happy about them. They have already given them jobs. They have actually embraced the dual program, and it's a program that, if it is now widened, it is going to change even the economy and the employability of our youths in the near future. We have expanded the scope. We have onboarded now 4 programs in addition to mechanical. So we have electrical, level 5, we have fashion and design, level 6, and building technician, level 6. And already those people are hot cake in the field. We expect to have a new intake in January in all those programs that I've mentioned. And already we are doing a lot of marketing, because we strongly feel that there are so many people outside there who finished Form 4, but they have not gotten an opportunity to be in the colleges, maybe because of not being aware of what is in the TVET institutions. So as Nyamira National Polytechnic, we are taking the lead, doing a lot of marketing to ensure that we give information to our people so that they are able to get information, and we bring them on board. Nyamira County has around 5 technical institutions. But as I said, Nyamira National Polytechnic is the only polytechnic, and we want to take a lead. Currently we have a population of 2,500, which we feel that is not enough. Outside here, there are so many Form 4 leavers who are idle. We have a capacity of taking up to 10,000. From the structures and the facilities that we have that capacity. And that is why we are embracing upon all the stakeholders, including the leaders, the county government, and even the parents, to see it that all the trainees who are idle, all the Form 4 leavers who are idle at home are given that opportunity, because we strongly feel they are the backbone of our economy. There is an opportunity at TVET. Actually, when we talk about TVET, it is actually the pathway even getting to the university, because those who got C plus or C minus and below, they can come to the TVET and get courses, and finally they'll even upgrade to the university. So what I could say is that this could be the beginning and the foundation of the bigger things to come. And even going forward, you will discover that most of the people who go to the university are actually managers. But if you go to our economy sector, you realize that it depends so much on the technical skills. And this is where these people are fit. So we want to impress upon them to actually see that there is a lot of hope and importance in taking technical education. I want to tell those who did not got an A or a B that they can still qualify to the university through the TVET sector. Now, for general intake, we have we are rolling out now currently a lot of marketing strategies. We have people in the field trying to whip the minds of the young Kenyans who are actually not aware about what is in the TVET sector. And I want to call upon every candidate who finished Form 4, and even those who never went up to Form 4, there is still an opportunity, because we have now the Level 4, which is the artisan, which can be done by somebody who did Form 4 years but got an E, and even somebody who never did Form 4. Even Form 3, Form 2, people who never went beyond that, they can still start from artisan, go to craft, and go to diploma. What we want to do, and I want to even pledge every Kenyan of goodwill to ensure that all these people are brought on board and they are given information, because we discovered that many of them do not have the information. So as is Nyamira National Polytechnic, we are out giving out brochures, giving out information. We have had barasas around and even within the neighboring counties. Even on our website, we have a website which is very active. They can get information about Nyamira National Polytechnic and they can join. There are those who can come in, walk-ins. Those people we accept and we give them admissions without any problem. Because courtesy of the county government, we are referred to as Nyamira National Polytechnic. And we strongly feel that the county has a lot of stake in ensuring that Nyamira National Polytechnic succeeds. So through sponsorship of trainees, maybe from students, for students from the poor backgrounds or households, we are able to increase enrollment. We want to plead the government, the Nyamira County government, to maybe add more in terms of publicity, add more in terms of sponsoring more students, especially from the vulnerable groups, so that they're able to access the education that we are offering at Nyamira National Polytechnic.